Hey guys, for making this computer vision with Arduino project, open your favorite browser and search for Python, go to downloads, and from here you can download it. And after that you need a Arduino IDE to program the Arduino. Go to software. From here you can see it is for Windows, Linux, Mac OS and many more. So go to this download and from the Microsoft you can get it and install in your system. So after installing it, search Python, you will get ideally, and search for Arduino, you will get an IDE. So open the command prompt. So in command prompt write a command pip installed opencv python. So here you can see requirement already satisfied as I had already installed it in my system. Now pip installed CV zone. You need to install this also. I had already installed. Hey guys, here's the programming part. Here I'm using a Visual Studio Code. You can also use the primitive ideally. Now guys, we will import in the module that we had installed from the command prompt, that is opencv, and make a variable as cap.video capture. So this video capture will take the frames from the 0. The 0 is the desktop cam of a laptop. So then success as a boolean and image equals to cap.read. So it will read the frames, and then from the command cv2. I am showing the frames which has been captured in window as hand, then wait key 1 as 0 equal order. So this is the keyboard bound. So whenever I will press C, then it will break the loop. So let's run this. So here you can see me. After that you need to import a library as serial. Then from the CV zone hand tracking module you have to import a hand detector. Then make a variable as port equals serial.serial. Then inside that the COM port in which our Arduino is connected to the PC. Mine is COM port 7 and the 9600, which is the baud rate or the speed through which our Arduino will communicate with our PC. Then a variable as detector equals hand detector. So with detection confidence 0.75 with max hands 2. Then hands as boolean and image equals detector dot find hands. So it will find the hands which are in the image. So here you can see my video, and here it's detecting my right and left hand. So here you can see. If hands, then a new variable as hand1 which will store the hands at index 0. Then finger 1 which will store the data of the finger. If open then 1, if not then 0 of hand 1. Then if the length of hands is 2. That means if it will detect 2 hands, then it will make a new variable as hand 2, which will store the hands at index 1. Then finger 1 variable will store the data of the fingers in hand 1, in hand 2, sorry. Then a variable total finger, which will store the counted value of finger and another finger 2, which will store the counted value of finger 2. So it will store this in a list. So I am printing that list. First finger 1 and finger 2. Let's run this, and here you can see my image is coming. So now you can see the data are coming. If all are open, then 1. If all are closed, then 0. According to this, here you can see.
Hey guys, here's the programming of Arduino. At first I made an integer as well. Then I started the serial communication between my Arduino and my PC with baud rate 9600. This 9600 is the speed through which our Arduino will communicate with my PC. Then I made 2 integer variables as bulb1 and bulb2, which will store 2 and 3. This 2 and 3 are the digital pins of Arduino. Then through the pin mode function, I tell Arduino that this pin I'm using and for output. Then here I have made a control statement. If there is serial communication, then only it will execute this. It will assign val to the serial.read. The data which are coming in the serial monitor will be stored in this val. Then if val is 1, then bulb 1 high and bulb 2 also high, and it will print in the serial monitor that both bulb on. And else if the data which are in the val is 2, then it will turn on the bulb 1 and print in the serial monitor that left bulb is on. Then another else statement that if the val is 3, then it will hide the bulb 2 and print in serial monitor that right bulb is on. Then if the val is 4, then it will give 0 volt to both bulb 1 and bulb 2 and print both bulb off. Here it will print right bulb on. And here both bulb off. Now in the Visual Studio Code, we have to write some lines of code. If total finger 1 and total finger 2 equals 5, that it will check that both hand is open or not. If they are open, then in the port it will write 1. Here you can see in the Arduino code, here if val1 then both bulb is on. Print both bulb is on. Then here again elif total finger 1 is 5, then it will write the port 2. So here you can see the 10 send to, then left bulb is on. So print left bulb is on. And after that, if the total finger 2 is also 5, then it will write in the port 3 and send 3 to the port and print right bulb on. Here you can see in the Arduino code, if it will be 3 then right bulb on. So print right bulb on. And then else, if doesn't condition specify, then in the else it will write in the port 4 and print all bulbs are off, both bulbs off. So here the program is completed. So let's upload, let's run.